Hey, what's up, guys? So, Amazon Prime Big Deals Day is now live. It's basically like an early version of Black Friday, and I'm seeing a bunch of different things on sale right now. There's a number of different radar detectors, there's a lot of different dash cams. I've got some coupon codes for you on laser jammers, and there's a bunch of other stuff that it's not necessarily countermeasure related, but it's also really cool stuff that I really like, and I'd like to share with you guys as well. Now, this Prime Big Deals Day event, it runs for 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, October 10th and 11th. A lot of the deals are live now. Some of the deals, though, aren't going to go live until tomorrow, so I'll have a second video available tomorrow that goes over kind of like the updated deals that go live then. Some of the deals run for both days, and then they've also got these lightning deals, which basically drop the price down further beyond what the traditional Prime Day discounts are too. And so to stay up to date with all the different discounts, over on my website, I'm compiling all the best different deals on different radar detectors, dash cams, etc., and we're going to go ahead and run through them here in just a second. Now, the prices that you see there are subject to change. I've noticed that the pricing for some of this stuff has been changing. I've been up since 3 a.m. and even some of the stuff has already been selling out. And so I'm going to do my best to keep that page updated. Additionally, as like the new lightning deals pop up, kind of the temporary short-term deals, I'll also keep you guys posted on Facebook and Twitter, just to let you guys know that those deals have gone live too. And so with that said, let's go ahead and hop on over to the computer and take a look at all the deals currently available. All right, so jumping right into things, down in the video description, I'm going to link you guys to this page here on my website where I'm compiling all the best deals for you. And as I mentioned earlier, you're going to see links here to both like Facebook and Twitter, for example, if you want to get notified of updates as they are made available. Now, let's go ahead and start off first with radar detectors. So we'll scroll down here. First off, we've got a couple deals here for different escort detectors. We've got the Max 360C Mark II for like $150 off. So if you're looking for something with like, good long range performance, good false alert filtering, GPS, auto lockouts, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all those bells and whistles, the Max 360C Mark II is on sale now. Now, they're also listing the original Max 360C for like $489. About $50, $60 less or so than the Mark II, though I would still recommend going for the Mark II just to get the longer range and the improved false alert filtering. Now, if you do want something cheaper, there's the original Max 360. That's for $399, $400. So if you're looking for something in that price range to still get the arrows, Bluetooth for the cloud alerts, etc., you can pick up that detector now as well. Now, Escort is really the only company who's doing Prime Day deals. However, the Uniden R4, I know I've been talking about this a lot recently in videos. For $299, it's not technically a Prime Day deal, but it's still an awesome deal and probably the best deal around as far as long-range, high-performance radar detectors. So if you're looking for like a high-end performing detector, the R4 at $299 pretty much blows away anything else in this price range. It's like the same price as the R3, which is kind of dumb in my opinion for the R3. Like the R4 is a no-brainer and the way to go. Now, as far as accessories, there's the blend mount as well. So if you want to attach the detector to your rearview mirror and not have it hang on a suction cup, you can pick up the blend mount, and there's a coupon code you can use here, Vortex10, to save 10% off the price of the blend mount. Next, moving on to dash cams, we're going to start first with VFO. I tend to like them for just being like, good video quality and a good bang for the buck. And they've got a number of different dash cams available here for their Prime Big Deals Day, Prime Day. First up, we've got the VFO WM1. So if you're looking for just like something really inexpensive and affordable, like kind of the most affordable option, go for the WM1. 2K sensor, Sony Starvis sensor. It adds Wi-Fi so you can get file transfers to your phone and whatnot. So for that one, it's on sale right now, $64. Yeah, that's probably better than like the A119 V3 if you're going for a dash cam here in 2023. Now, speaking of the A119 series dash cams, there's the new Mini 2. I recently did a video reviewing this one, and I like this. For under $100, I think this is going to be better than the WM1. It bumps you from Sony Starvis to Sony Starvis 2. So even better video quality, better low light performance. It's got faster 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It adds voice commands so you can use it hand-free. And so if you're looking for a dash cam under $100 just for a front-facing one, I think the Mini 2 would be the way to go. Now, if you want to go up to like a 4K dash cam, there's the A129 Pro Duo. And you can get it front and rear. With the rear camera right now, it's on sale. It's actually cheaper than just going for the front-only version. So if you're looking for like a 4K dash cam for Prime Day, this is going to be the way to go. Now, for those of you guys who want an interior-facing dash cam, I know those can be pretty popular too. The VFO T130 is on sale right now. It's got like the second interior-facing dash cam that actually rotates off to the side if you want to point it out to like the driver's side window or something. That's a pretty cool feature. And then if you want to get it with the 3-channel setup to add front, interior, and rear-facing dash cams, it was on sale earlier for $189, but currently at the time I'm shooting the video, it's actually dropped down to $159 as a lightning deal. And I know I just posted this one on Facebook as well. So heads up about that. Now, if you guys are wanting like just a high-end dash cam, My go-to dash cam currently, it's the one that I run in my car, that I run in my wife's car, the VFO A139 Pro. Sony Starvis 2 for the front cam. Yeah, good parking recording, etc. This one right now, it's on sale for $259. So if you're looking for like a high-end dash cam with Starvis 2, the A139 Pro, pretty solid option. And then moving on next, if you want to see like the Vantrue dash cams, they've got some good options here as well. I've been liking Vantrue recently for like some of their newest dash cams have been making some solid improvements and advances, and I like some of their newer ones. For example, if you take a look at the Vantrue E2, this one, if you're looking for just like a good all-around front and rear dash cam, this might actually be the way to go. It records in 2K for both the front and the rear dash cam. The newer ones have started adding buffered motion detection for parking recording, which is something that the previous gen Vantrues didn't offer. And then it's also got like voice controls and like that wireless Bluetooth remote for kind of hands-free operation. It's pretty nice. So I think this one, it's less expensive than the VFO A129 Pro Duo. And I think it's actually a better kind of all-around dash cam for front and rear recording. It's a newer option, and so if you're looking for like an inexpensive front and rear dash cam, I think the Vantrue E2 is going to be one of the best options out there. Next, the Vantrue X4S Duo. This is kind of like my go-to rental car dash cam. Records in 4K up front, and it's got like the big suction cup mount. Maybe not the best for permanent installations, but for just throwing in a rental car or something, it's kind of awesome. The price right now, it's like almost 50% off, and basically the rear dash cam is almost free at the current price. So like if you want to toss it on the rear cam or a rear window, cool. You can use it as a front camera only if you like. So for rental cars, this has kind of been one of my go-to options. And then as far as like kind of the higher end ones, there's the Vantrue N4 Pro. This is going to be a competitor to like the VFO A139 Pro that I just talked about. So also has a Sony Starvis 2 sensor up front and available with like an interior and a rear facing dash cam. I went over some of the differences here compared to the A139 Pro. The VFO I think has a little better parking recording, and I like the interior camera. If we scroll up, that one it's kind of detached, just like the rear facing one. So you can kind of put it wherever you want. It gives you a little bit more sort of placement options on where you place it. Now with this one, the interior facing dash cam, it's built into the front body, so it's like kind of one less thing to have installed in the car. And it does have a couple other advantages, like if you're running it as a full 3-channel setup, the front camera can still do your 4K 30 FPS, which is pretty nice. Some weird compromises with the VFO if you run it as a 3-channel setup. And there's also things like you've got the voice commands and stuff here, plus it's $20 cheaper than if you go for the VFO option. So this is another strong contender too, if you're looking for like a kind of a higher end 3-channel dash cam with the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Next, moving on with dash cams, we've got the Escort M2. This is on sale for like $127, which is one of the lowest prices I've seen on this one. Basically, it's like an add-on dash cam that attaches to the side of your Escort radar detector. So one mount, one power cable. You can use it with like a Redline, a Max, whatever else. So that's pretty convenient to give yourself a dash cam radar detector combo. I also like this sometimes as a rental car setup, but I know people like it as a permanent setup too, just because it makes the installation so much easier. Now, for those of you guys running a Uniden detector, if you're running the blend mount, you can actually attach this to the side of the blend mount as well with the Uniden detector too. So, and obviously Escort as well. So just a kind of pro tip there if you wanted to run it with different brands of detectors too. And then as far as Cobra dash cams, they integrate with like the Escort Live, Drive Smarter type stuff. So on the back of the dash cam, it can actually notify you of different cloud alerts. So, police spotted from different Escort and Cobra radar detector users in the area. Their alerts get posted to the cloud. You can get notified on your dash cam, and you can also post alerts from your dash cam back to the cloud as well. Obviously, it's not a radar detector. It's not a laser detector. You're going to have to manually report the alerts, but it's kind of a way to get some extra countermeasure protection essentially built into the dash cam too. They got a couple different models. The SC400D, that's their 4K one. You can also get it with the optional rear dash cam if you like. I linked to the 2-channel one here, and if you want the front only one, that's linked right there. Also has some other cool stuff like Alexa integration is built into the dash cam as well. So cool options there. Kind of different approaches as far as different dash cams. Now for all the dash cams, you're obviously going to want to pick up a memory card. Currently the best deals that I'm seeing are the SanDisk Extreme cards. You can get those. 512 gig card is like what, $32 right now, $31. So that's a good deal. I just ordered another one this morning. I've been using these as like an inexpensive 512 gig cards. It's still good for dash cams. You can also pick up the 256 gig one for like $19. So that's a good option there for a memory card. I actually keep a couple in my car as like spares and backups and whatnot. So that's going to be pretty cool. And then as far as the parking recording, the Blackview B130X, that's going to be a dedicated dashcam battery pack. You can wire the dashcam directly into your car battery. I prefer having a dedicated battery that charges while you drive and then powers the dashcam while you're parked. You can pick up this battery pack on sale now for Prime Day, and you can use it with any brand of dashcam that we talked about. You're just going to want to hardwire it to the dashcam, and you'll notice that I link to, for a lot of these, like the hardwire cable that you're going to want. So you just wire it up to the battery pack, and you've got kind of your parking recording built in there for the dashcam. Then as far as laser jammers, these are not Prime Day specific deals, but always nice just to show you guys the different deals that are available. If you're looking for something inexpensive and affordable, there's the Adaptive TPX. Simple laser jammer. You can get it for like the front only option. You can get it for 10% off. Use the coupon code VORTEX. And then if you're looking for something kind of more fully featured, you can pick up the TMG Alpha 17s. This is going to add things like Bluetooth. You can customize the auto JTK timer, etc. This one, if you get it with like a set of quads, plus the 2 VPR heads, you can pick that up on sale, 10% off. Just use the coupon code VORTEX for that one as well. So different laser jammer options to kind of pair with whatever radar detector that you choose. And then I know kind of on this channel I tend to focus on countermeasures, but there's obviously a lot of other stuff that's awesome that I'd like to share too. And so down at the bottom of the page, you'll see different miscellaneous deals for things that I like. So like AirPods, for example, I use them basically every day when I'm walking my dog or something. I'm a big fan of Sony's noise canceling headphones as well. I've used different versions of these over the years for traveling and going on planes and whatnot. There's discounts for things like Apple Watches and Roomba vacuums. MacBook Airs are on sale. White strips that I use for teeth, that's kind of nice. Even one big thing, the Pelotons are on sale right now for like 24% off. So that's pretty cool too. So if you want a bike, stay in shape, that's a good option. Something that just popped up for this Prime Day as well. And if you want to just see all the deals, you can just click right there and see the different discounts that are available for Prime Day, kind of above and beyond what I've talked about here in this video. So again, this whole page I'm going to link to you guys down in the video description so you can go check it out. And as things pop up, whether it's new deals popping up and going live tomorrow or even later today as things sell out and whatnot, I'll keep everything posted here. And then any updates, I'll keep you guys posted on Facebook and Twitter as well. And so with that said, thanks so much for watching. Happy shopping. And I'll see you guys in the next video.